Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? Say hello to the Apple AirTag 4-pack, your ultimate solution for never losing track of your valuables again. These tiny, mighty Bluetooth trackers integrate seamlessly with your iPhone, bringing peace of mind right to your fingertips. What truly sets AirTag apart is Apple's precision finding, powered by Ultra Wideband technology. It's like having a personal radar guiding you directly to your lost item, showing you the exact distance and direction on your screen. Setting up your new AirTag 4-pack is unbelievably simple. A true Apple hallmark. Just one tap on your iPhone, and it's paired and ready to go, making it the easiest item tracker you'll ever use. And for those unexpected spills or dusty adventures, rest assured, these AirTags are water and dust resistant with an IP67 rating, offering incredible durability. No other tracker offers this level of precision, simplicity, and robust integration within the Apple ecosystem, truly making it a top electronics pick for 2025. Ready to experience this game-changing technology yourself and secure your belongings? You can grab your Apple AirTag 4-pack from Amazon right now using the link in the description below. For anyone serious about keeping track of their essential items, the Apple AirTag 4-pack is an absolute must-have. Get yours today.